You gon' have a hard time trying to stop me. I'm cocky. The word probably is not in my vocabulary. Neither is sorry. So better worry. Not a killer, but you try me and I'll see the jury.
Oh boy, here come a bunch of KOs, cause you know where you at, knockout mode. This is high-octane fighting, the highest level of fighting. MMA, UFC.
Hurt him with that overhand. Head kick!
Hold his hands in socket.
Hard straight punch.
They used to be best of friends, and they're fighting over that girl. See, when you smell it, when you smell blood, you got to attack. Look at your health bars. Look, back up, man.
Oh, he's out.
broke his-
He's out.
Something's wrong. Couldn't get his balance, uncoordinated, stumbling. Yeah, you're done, son.
You ready? You ready?
Okay, let's go. That kick is crucial. See how I broke him down? Okay.
Oh, head kick! Get his ass in, bitch.
Oh, boy.
Hit him hard with that hook.
Mm.
Big leg kick lands.
Okay. Right over the top of the head. No!
Oh!
That first punch put him halfway in the bed. He was just looking for where's my blanket? Oh, there it is.
Boom.
Are you ready? You ready?
It's a science to this shit, man. Being in that octagon is a science, man. It ain't just go out there and just swing, you know, wild. You gotta have a strategic plan about yourself. Understand it.
Hurt him with that right. Big straight punch.
Man, they must got batteries in their heart, cause they just don't stop. Oh, man.
Oh, big left. Lands a hard shot with the left. Huge knee to the head.
Yeah. He wasn't paying attention. He just was swinging wildly and he got caught, and then his bars went down. 4 bars, 3 bars. He is a bad man. Slow-mo, here we go. Coming soon to a theater near you. Coming soon to a theater near you.